Let's review 5 most useful free Revit plugins in this video. Let's go. Javad is here, and in this video we are going to discuss and review top 5. Although it is my selection, it's not according to any statistics or something like that. These are my selections and these are my top 5 Revit plugins. The first one is Family Revisor by Darius, which is about exporting your families to your local drives. For example, if you have imported lots of families to one family, you can export all of them in just one place. The next feature that this plugin has is about how to add prefixes and suffixes to your family types and type names. And also, we have some great workset management tools in this plugin. The second plugin that we want to talk about, and this is one of my top favorite tools in Revit environment, and that's Magic Join. The Magic Join is a great plugin which will allow you to automate the join process in Revit. Some of the top features of this great plugin is the first one is you can change the join order, default join order of Revit, for example. You can put the slabs in higher priority in comparison with the structural beams, and then it will cut the slab by structural beams, or you can do it vice versa, and it will do that way too. This is the great feature in this plugin, and also it has a automated multiple category joins. You will specify all of the categories that you want to join in the software, and then you just need to click on OK, and boom, the magic happens, and you have all of the joins has been done automatically by this great plugin. The third plugin, and the most useful plugin that I use, which is Revit by Sunny Nijad. Shout out to him for this great plugin that we have. Revit has lots of features, and this is much bigger than I will explain in here. We will have another video about this. Comment down below if you want a specific video about this great plugin. This plugin will give you lots of features. For example, one of my favorite features is custom hatch. I have uploaded another video in this channel, which I put the link in here. You can go there and watch that too. In that video, I will show you how to create custom patterns like this in Revit automatically and easily in Revit, and you don't have to go to lots of coding and text editing process for creating some new hatches. Another tool that we have, and it is really useful in bigger projects, is Pick tool. For example, when you want to drag and select all of the doors in your plans, you need to select all of the elements, and then you need to click on filter and select the appropriate doors or appropriate category that you want to select and you aim to select. But with this great feature, you can specify the category that you want to select beforehand, and then you can just drag and it will select all of the appropriate categories for you very easily and efficiently. And also the third one, and one of the most useful features in all of these plugins, is Keynote Manager. In bigger projects, when you want to manage your keynotes, it is really hard to edit those kind of really ugly texts, and by this great tool, you can do it in an efficient way and in a much better way in comparison in user interface and those kind of things. Personally, I prefer to manage my keynotes in this way. And it has, as I said, it is much bigger that I explained it here. I just made some points about this great plugin. In more advanced ways, it will give you a way to run Python scripts, and you can create Python scripts in Revit environments, and you don't need any back and forth in programming. If this video has been helpful so far, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. It will help us a lot to create more tutorials like this. And the fourth plugin that I like is Model Checker. It is not pretty. I name it ugly but useful. It is not that intuitive to work, but it's a great tool to check your model health. It will give you some dashboards like this to check your model health in Revit. And you can also create some custom checks in this software, in this plugin, and then you can check your model according to the exact parameters that you want. The last but not least plugin is another plugin by Darrot, which is sheeting, that I love a lot because it will allow you, and it will allow you to export all of your BIM data from your families, from your all of the elements that you have in Revit to Excel and Google Sheets, and it will give you a great export from your schedule and from your data to spreadsheet softwares like Excel and Google Sheet. And another feature that I love, which is you can import them back into your software. And also, if you don't have Excel or Google Sheet, or you don't want to go to those kind of softwares, it has an embedded Excel editing that will allow you to edit your family parameters much easier in comparison with Revit schedules. And at the end, another feature that this plugin has is that you can create rooms and spaces automatically by Excel sheets or Google Sheets. This was all of my selections and all of my favorite tools for Revit. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and colleagues. I will put a playlist in here. You can go and watch that to learn dozens of Revit tips there. I will see you on the next session.